Dear students, in previous video we have started discussion about conformations and conformational analysis. We made clear that how different conformer have specific amount of energy associated with them, and that's why energy and stability inversely proportional to each other. That's why each conformation having order of stability also. We had also discussed about several projections, different methods of drawing a molecule or drawing a conformer, Sohors, Newman, etc. And we discuss the factors which can affect the stability of the conformer. So I advise you that if you haven't watched video number 6, then prior watching this 7th video, you should watch first the 6th video. Now, three questions are there in the curriculum of Gujarat University Semester 2. Conformational analysis of ethane, normal butane and cyclohexane. In offline mode, normally one of these three questions is always there in question paper. So let us discuss conformational analysis of ethane. This is the staggered conformer of ethane, and this is its Newman projection, and this is its Sohor's projection. You can see that in Newman projection, all the 6 carbon hydrogen bonds of ethane, they are arranged maximum far as possible, and that's why they are free from any kind of angle strain. Conformer is fully staggered, so it is also free from torsional strain, and as all the bonds are maximum spreaded with each other, so even not a chances of repulsion. So this conformer is a free from any kind of strain, and as a result it is most stable conformer of ethane. And since it is most stable, so in other words you can say that this conformer is least energetic conformer of the ethane. Now let us move on a second conformer, which is called eclipse configuration or eclipse conformer. This is Newman projection, this is Sohor's projection. Friends, in eclipse conformer, all the 6 carbon hydrogen bonds, they are at exactly parallel with each other. So the dihedral angle between them is a 0 degree. It is 60 degree in case of staggered. Angle between this and this is called dihedral angle. So it is 0. But carefully observe that whenever we draw eclipse conformer, bonds attached with the rear carbon, we are drawing from slightly distance than the bonds attached with the front carbon. But you should clearly understand that it is exactly behind this bond. But if we draw exactly behind, then we cannot see it. That's why it is written as shown in this figure. Now, since all 6 carbon hydrogen bonds are behind each other, so there is a repulsion which increase potential energy, and also configuration is not staggered, so there is a torsional strain, or it is also known as a Pitzer strain, and as a result this kind of strain increase the potential energy, and therefore it decreases its stability. So eclipse ethane is least stable conformer, and whenever we say least stable, it means that it is most energetic conformer of ethane. Every 60 degree See, if we hold the front three bonds as it is and give rotation to the rear bonds at a 60 degree, then this hydrogen would move after this, behind this red one would move behind this black, and this one behind this. So at 60-degree rotation would result into staggered to eclipse conformer. One more 60-degree rotation would convert eclipse to staggered. So rotation of every 60-degree turns staggered into eclipse and eclipse into staggered conformer. Now, so many different forms of ethane which are not fully staggered, neither they are fully eclipsed. They are called skew conformer or skew configuration. Sometimes it is also known as a Gauch or Guiche conformer. You can see that in this figure. See the Newman projection. This is neither fully staggered nor it is eclipse, but it is the situation in between the two. Similarly, in a Sohor's projection also, see this is eclipse and this is fully staggered, but this is the in between situation. So now you can guess stability of skew conformer must be lower than the most stable staggered, but must be more than the least stable eclipse conformer of ethane. Thus, you should discuss these three conformer of ethane: most stable staggered, least stable eclipse, and many skew which are in between. Now let us see the sequence of energy and stability. We know that staggered is a most stable, then skew in between, and this is least stable. So see the sequence of stability, it increase from eclipse to stable, eclipse to staggered, and energy, order of energy would be exactly opposite. So as staggered is the most stable, so it will be least energetic. So these are the points which can be asked you in a multiple choice kind of question. Conformer which is most stable must be least energetic. You should clearly understand that. Now let us discuss its potential energy diagram. On y-axis there is a potential energy, x-axis rotation. Here this is the first staggered conformer. So as already we have discussed, it is most stable, so least energetic. So you can see that its energy is least. Now when we start rotating the molecule, we are getting so many skew forms, and exactly at a 60 degree we are getting eclipse. So at 60 degree staggered convert into eclipse. So as eclipse is the least stable, so it is the most energetic conformer, and you can see that this energy difference or energy barrier of almost 3 kilocalorie per mole, precisely 2.8 kilocalorie per mole between the eclipse and staggered conformer. Again, we start rotating the molecule from eclipse after passing through so many skew conformer which is shown over here. At 60 degree again, we are getting staggered conformer. Again the energy is least and it is most stable. So this is called conformational analysis of ethane. In other words, we can say that staggered conversion of eclipse from staggered require 3 kilocalorie per mole amount of energy. Now, anytime ethane molecule possess 15 to 20 kilocalorie per mole energy, I said to convert from staggered to eclipse it requires 3 kilo only, but molecule having any time 15 to 20 kilocalorie per mole energy, so almost 5 times the energy molecule possess, and that's why as shown in this figure, this interconversion is a continuous. So here you can see that staggered convert into eclipse and in between so many skews. But we can understand that molecule, though interconversion is continuous, but ethane molecules spend most time into the most stable staggered conformer. So friends, you should write three sentences of staggered eclipse and skew conformer. You should draw this energy diagram, and this is called conformational analysis of ethane.